herding up some longhorn. Cowboy in the woods. Pretty neat. Don't see that every day. What's happening? Been 2 months. Becky ain't been here. Going to pick her up now. 2 months. She's about an hour out of Flagstaff. I'm gonna start heading that way. Meet him in Flagstaff and bring her home. Dogs are gonna be excited. Just wait and see. Look in the car. Look, wave. Okay. She's hiding from the dogs. Hear the dogs? They don't even know she's here. But we're gonna let the dogs out, and then she's gonna sneak out and see what they do. Oh, I gotta have the keys. Not those keys. Not those keys. Hey, the keys are in the console. Hold on. Look how dark it is in the woods. Keys.
Where?
In the console. Can't see nothing in the woods. All right, let's try this again. Got the key. Who's got to go potty? Y'all got to go potty? All right, I'll let you out and you go potty. Here we go. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Wait, let me get her controller. Okay. Anyway, yeah. She's getting out of the car. They ain't even noticed yet. Let's see. Well, Lulu did.
Hi, Lulu. Oh my God, I'm all muddy now.
Oh, Boozy heard. Oh, looky.
Oh, she just got mud all over her seat.
Well, we can't do nothing about it. There's mud everywhere.
Hi, babies.
You happy to be home?
Yeah, that's right.
What?
I got hold of the pants.
Happy to be home?
Yes.
What?
Yeah. Ooh. All right, come here. Dude. That Jasper just nipped me. All right, let me on, guys. Okay. Yes. Come on. All right. Well, I gotta go in.
You said this way, Bobby, this way.
Almost.
Lulu must have to go potty. Oh, no, here she comes. No, Mom's home. Alrighty. Good to have her back. Hi, Lou. Going in.